All right, so I have the Logitech Zone 305 headset. I'm back from Infocomm, and so I'm doing some tests of the microphone. And so this is what it would sound like to use the Logitech Zone 305 in a quiet environment. So there's just like HVAC noise and then just normal sounds going on in the house. All right, so now I'm going to introduce some chips or snack. All right, and so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Logitech Zone 305 and someone decided to, or you decided to open up some chips while you're in that meeting and not mute your microphone. So I have my handy dandy blender back there. Again, extreme tests, but these are things that happen in home offices. You know, folks go in and make their protein shakes or their smoothies or whatever they're doing with the blender. And typically it's in another room, but for this test, it's here. It's extreme test. So let's find out how well this microphone blocks out the blender. Let's go. I have no idea. I haven't done this yet. All right. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the Logitech Zone 305 headset and there was a blender running in the background. Holy cow, that was loud. So just a quick little test of the Logitech Zone 305 headset. It is certified for Microsoft Teams, so I am recording this via Teams. Stay tuned for more. And if you like this type of content, follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.